My name is Abhinav and I'm here to help you get started, become really comfortable with creating reports, dashboards, data visualization and gaining insights from your data using Google's Data Studio. In the previous episode, we saw how you can add calculated fields using fields that exist in your datasets to create something that's mathematically derived and help users gain insights from something that did not exist in the data, but now you have created using a very simple mathematical formula or a case when statement to add a categorical variable. If you are new to the channel, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and also check out this discussion forum which we have set up for you to have meaningful conversations with other students who are also learning through this course. In this episode, we are going to look at how do you style your charts, how to use conditional formatting, how can you change the layout of your report, and also how can you select the theme of your report. This episode is all about making your reports look visually very appealing. There's of course value in having the report represent the correct numbers, making sure that the data is insightful, but it's also valuable to have your reports look visually appealing so that users spend more time on it and they feel like they should be coming back to your report. There's definitely some UI UX stuff that you can do with your report in order to make sure the reports are user friendly and the interaction with your reports is as smooth as possible. But these are some of the basic tips that will be shared in this episode to make your report look good.
Alright, I think in the previous episodes we've got the basics of how do you even build a report. We looked at how to add a chart, how to color the chart differently, how to add reference lines, how to enable interactivity between different charts, and then looked at some custom field addition and calculated fields. Once your report is created though, the next step is to make it look beautiful. While it should be a part of the process, you should be able to refine your report using the styling and conditional formatting options that Data Studio makes available for you. In this episode, we will look at how do you use conditional formatting on your charts, and in general, how do you style your reports to make them look visually even more appealing and attractive for your users. So to start with, let's talk about the layout of your report. If you click anywhere on the grid or on the canvas without selecting a chart, you should see your magic panel show you two options, theme and layout. When we go to layout, this will show you how you can place your header. You can either always show it, you can auto hide it when the user is not actively hovering onto the header, or you can keep it initially hidden but then show up when the user arrives on the report. There is also option available to change the navigation of your report. When does navigation really come handy? Let's change this navigation to a tab navigation and add a new page, because your report does not have to be a one-page report. You can just go to this menu right here, click on add a page, and a new page, a new canvas will get added to your report. You can always go back between these two pages from the drop-down menu here, or just using the right and left arrow keys on your keyboard. If I now go to the view mode, I will see that both my pages are listed here and I have tab navigation enabled for my report. You can use this layout panel to change the canvas size, you can change how the grid looks and other details that relate to the layout of your report. In the theme selection panel, you can change how your report looks and change the theme of your report completely. You can have this theme which is good for a dark mode. You can have a theme which has different colors. So these are all auto-selected colors that will come onto your report and make it look visually more appealing. The cool part about the theme selection is you can actually use the extract theme from image option to upload a picture. Let's say your company has a logo and you want your report to be reflective of your company's colors, your company's brand guidelines. You can literally upload the logo of your company in this section and the entire report will automatically capture whatever colors are available in the logo and customize your report according to them. How cool is that? So this was all about how you can make your report look beautiful. But what about charts? Sometimes you want your users to make decisions and get insights on your charts without looking at the numbers or reading the values. Colors are very descriptive when used correctly. To demo that, we will go through a very quick example of conditional formatting. I'm selecting the chart that we created in the previous episode where we classified different countries based on their profitability into high profit and low profit. Now, whenever anything relates to the looks of a chart, you go to the style section in your Magic Panel. The very first option here is conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting panel, you can either select a single color conditional formatting or a color scale depending on the values that you choose. And then you just add a formatting rule. So in this case, I'm going to say when the new field is equal to high profit, then you color the entire row or just the country to be with a background green. As soon as I hit save, every country that has the value associated with it as high profit has now turned into green color. You can add multiple more rules like this and change your chart to look beautiful and visually more insightful. And you can actually compare two different fields that are available in your table or in your chart to govern what your chart should be colored. So this comes in really handy when you are trying to use conditional formatting for your charts and trying to tell a story to your users without showing them actual numbers, which would be difficult to interpret. So that was about conditional formatting. You may also want to change your chart styling a little. To demo that, just select any random chart on your report and go to the style option. In the style section, you have multiple options that you can select from. You can choose not to show the header, you can show the header, you can wrap the text that's in your header. So if I make this shorter now, you will see that the text in the header gets wrapped up. You can also wrap the text in your table body. You cannot have row numbers. So you can do all these sorts of things with your table to make it look beautiful. Not all the charts are going to have the exact same options for styling. Different charts have different options available. You can center align everything that's in your chart. You can show compact numbers if you want. You can also add background to your table. You can change the font, you can add a dotted line, you can have a border to your chart, you can do a bunch of things. The chart header should only show up when you hover on it or you always show it. So this was just an example to show you how different chart styling options can enable you to have a better looking report. Do check out these options as they come in really handy when you're trying to play around with the looks of your report.
Alright, that's it for episode 8 of Data Studio 101. In this episode's Try This Out section, I'd like you to try out different styling options that come with different types of charts. You can also try out adding multiple conditions to your conditional formatting statements and see how your report behaves. That is it for episode 8. If you liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to show your support for this community that's trying to learn better together. See you in episode 9 of Data Studio 101.